All right, guys. Hey, it's Joel Gonzalez, the Implant Dude, and I'm here with Dr. Vance Costello in Monroe, Louisiana. So we wanted to talk about the course that's going to be coming up here November 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, again in Monroe, Louisiana. And it's pretty intense. It's on implantknowhow.com, so check it out. And we're really going to be going over everything from a perspective of a beginner, but teach, give away protocols from a perspective of you're a complete beginner. How do you do this from A to Z? But then we're actually going to give you some cheat sheets on how to do this stuff from A to Z as well. All right. So, Dr. Vance.
Well, guys, we'll be doing our new facility. Dr. Raymond and myself will be putting on this course with Joel. We have some nice surgery rooms, a nice classroom. We'll be able to have our meals there so we can have an intensive course and stay on target about what we want to talk about. We want to teach these protocols so you can easily bring them back to your practice so you can implement them and not be apprehensive about treating your patients.
State-of-the-art facility. It is amazing. I mean, big surgical suites, brand new CVCT with SEP, all the, the latest and greatest state-of-the-art stuff that you can think of, this guy got it.
We're going to mix this hopefully half and half with guided, fully guided surgery and freehand, and show you both ways to take care of this and take care of your patients at home.
Sinus lifts,
Sinus lifts, yeah.
Bone expansion, ridge expansion. We're going to look at things like bone. A lot of people, they teach you the protocols, but they don't teach you how to read the bone properly, whether it's a soft bone protocol, medium bone protocol, or a hard bone protocol. That's really important. So we're going to be going over all that stuff from A to Z, suturing techniques, out the wazoo. So this is really like a five-day course in 3 days. So it's intense. So y'all come down to Monroe, Louisiana, and come have some, what is it, Cajun Vittles over here? What is it? All right, so what we're going to be doing is really going over, again, the ideal protocols. We really want to emphasize that, ideal protocols so you can take it back home to your office. And again, the dates are November 1st, 2nd, and 3rd in Monroe, Louisiana.
That's right.
And anything you want,
Yeah, what you want me to say?
I know.